Welcome back. So after downloading Apache Netbeans, so you'll see here now it's finished downloading. So what you do, you then come here and start the installation. So this installation, like I said in my previous video, it will take some time. Uh, so let's see how long it takes. Okay, then you will start with your installation. So now Apache Netbeans IDE is installing. Okay. Uh, let's see. Like I said, it will take some time, so you just have to be patient. Okay, cool. So you take this here. You will see now it's busy doing the configuring. So yeah, let's see where it goes. Okay. Uh, so these are some of the parts that we'll have, or some of the packages that we'll have here. That is Java IDE, Java SE applications. Okay, cool. Let's just leave it like that, and then you accept the terms and in terms of the agreements there. Because if you don't do that, it will not install. Then these will be installed in my C drive on the programs. Then there will be a folder called NetBeans dash 17. Okay, cool. Uh, then I'll continue installing, and then uh, okay, this is the folder where it goes. So yes, check for updates. Yes, I'll do that. Okay, cool. Then I'll start with my installation. And yeah, and there are other uh, IDE that you can use to write your Java programs. You can use Eclipse as well, which will allow you to also, write programs in Java. You just have to install that. But in this tutorial, we'll be using NetBeans IDE. So yeah, so we'll just wait for the installation, and from there we'll be ready to start programming in Java with our latest NetBeans, which is version 17 that was released this month on the 21st of February. So yeah, so what I have already installed here, uh, I still have NetBeans 8.2, but now I'm downloading the new version, which is the version 17. So I've been using this one, so I just need to demonstrate to you how you can go about and doing installation in your laptop or a desktop. So you can design different applications here. You can design your website as well. So it does allow you to develop websites uh, in NetBeans. Uh, can design your desktop applications as well. You know, the application that you see used by various companies. They develop some of them that developed in Java. Can also have uh, your console applications. Uh, I don't know if we do have console applications, still running in these days. But yeah, when you start learning using the console. Once you have these basics, uh, then you will, you know, you'll upgrade to start developing graphical user interface application called GUI, where interact. You will see something like this. This is called GUI. So we can develop application that have this look and feel like this one. So it's called graphical user interfaces. So these are the type of application we can build, and the other ones is the console that we start learning a new programming language using, and yeah. So this is how you do the installation, and once the installation is done, we'll be able uh, to continue and start opening your application and start running your first ever program.